Canberra.
And where is that? Where is that?
It's this complex.
Bukit Complex.
It used to be a little hill. Bukit, as in the local term, Bukit means it's a hill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bukit.
Canberra. Canberra, as in the capital of Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Nice. Nice. Use this. Let them see this for the intro.
We are the bad boys now.
Yeah.
But it's okay. At this hour, with minimum traffic.
Yeah, it's nothing right now because it was like 3, 4 in the afternoon. It's early. But I know around like 5 or 6 it gets packed.
Yeah.
I've seen it at night. That's why I went out at night too. Nobody walks through the HDBs at night. I wanted to see how it is at night.
Yes.
So when people work and they busy, it's gonna be quiet. But when they get back, they want to relieve their stress. So they're gonna, play music, get something to eat, talk to some friends, family, complain about work, regular stuff.
Instead of chilling.
Yeah.
Eh? I want to bring you up to this block.
Okay. What's these numbers here? I'm seeing a number here.
This is wait, the lift.
Okay.
We got the lift. You see. This is not. Nobody's staying here. This one is more for they built up for other purposes.
Okay, 310. Okay. You can get that child just walking up and down the steps. You're like, I want to get that child. I'm just walking one of the blocks. Just walking all the way up the steps and all the way down.
Where's the lift? I'm looking for this lift here.
What is that right there across the street? What is it?
I'll show you. We go up.
Okay.
You have an aerial view.
Okay.
Before I tell you anything more.
All right.
I think that will be easier.
I'm like, hey, what is that?
Yes. I will show. I will bring you over later on.
Okay.
See the cleaners at work. Maybe let her go first.
Okay.
This is block 310. Huh?
Yeah, block 8, 10, 3. Cleaning crew here, guys. We're doing this thing.
Okay. Some of the older ones they show you this block. These are the unit number.
Okay.
That means the house number.
Okay. Wow.
And you notice the number jump. They don't not continuous. So this block is all the odd numbers, and it's not repeated within this vicinity.
Yeah.
So probably this vicinity, all the blocks continuous. The first block maybe start from 101, then all the way. When they finish that number, then next one continue. So after 145, 147, maybe the next block somewhere. Continue 147. Then what happens to even number? Maybe over the side they are using even numbers.
Yeah.
So you hardly have anybody who has a clash of numbers.
Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
Okay? So that if your friend like, hey, welcome you, I send you an invitation, come to my house on this date. I must give you my block number, my which level, and unit number. So when the block and this thing don't match, then you will say, where should I go?
You know you ain't at the right place.
Something is wrong. Your friends, typo error, send you a message.
Hey, what's going on? Where you at, man? I'm like, oh, man, I find you, man. I can't find you, man.
You go to the top floor.
Okay, 14. Oh, this got a lot of floors.
Okay, right here, I think the tallest we can go, don't recall wrongly, that was back in
He guesstimating, yeah,
1996 when they start 95, 96 they started building. The regulation at that time for this area was maximum 17th floor.
Okay.
Why? Why not higher?
Why not higher?
Because there's an airbase behind there.
Oh, because they don't want to put a plane.
Yes. Okay. A common corridor.
Nice view.
Okay. This, by virtue of this, we know. I think your friend who brought you to Teban Garden,
Yeah.
where you say there are some of these flats, they have 2-story. Similar concept.
Oh, it's 2-story flats there.
Yes. It's an executive measurement.
We call it like a penthouse.
Yeah, something like that. Because, let me try to figure, do they have? Yeah. This door is here. But this on this level is just the living room and maybe the kitchen and one toilet and maybe one small room. Then there are 3 more bedroom and a study on the higher level.
Wow.
So they enter from this side.
Wow.
So inside your house, you maintain your own staircase.
You're in a real house.
Okay? Bring you up here. You were asking about that building.
Yeah.
Hey, take a view. Good view.
I got it now. There's a pool there.
You asked that question?
Yeah.
Do you have a swimming pool?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a swimming pool.
There's public pool.
Oh, there's a public pool right there.
Yes. Anybody can just go in there. Just pay a nominal small amount, go in and enjoy yourself. Wow. No limit on how many hours you can go. You can spend there. You can.
7 o'clock.
Yeah, I think it opens at 8 in the morning, closes at 9:30 in the evening.
And you probably have some food places that you can go here to eat. So
Yes.
you don't even have to leave out of there if you don't want to.
Vending machine. There's a little cafe.
And you can bring some food with you. Probably.
Swimming pool. Okay. There's actually a gym inside there, open to public also.
Oh, a gym.
Pay, go in and enjoy yourself.
Oh, okay. Wow.
This year, polyclinic.
That's what I was asking.
Yeah, you asked all those questions.
Yeah. Oh, wow. You do.
You didn't prompt me,
Yeah.
but I prepared in the list.
prepared for
But
it,
of course,
yeah.
after the tour, as we proceed, then I show you one by one.
Wow.
Okay,
That's
polyclinic.
a polyclinic right there.
And then after that, the other corner is the last thing you want, hawker center.
Hawker Center.
So, in a way, similar to Tampines Hub,
Yeah.
just that this one is spread out this way instead of stacked up this way.
Yeah. It's spread out. That's what threw me off.
There's some more work still ongoing. They're trying to build a garden on the top.
What is that? They building something back there.
There's a old house. They're preserving it. And what I heard the last time was, right now we have a library, community library,
Okay.
for everybody to use. It's inside the mall itself.
Okay.
So the plan is, in the long term, when this place is ready, the library will move over.
That moved a lot right there. Come on, it's a bigger building.
Can I see it?
It's right here, like 4 or 5 floors.
Here, maybe we can see it. That day you were at the Sembawang Shopping Center. It's just down the road that way. It's over there, but now it's because this angle we cannot see. If you had the block further in front, you may see it.
Oh, it's over here.
Yes. If you have walked that night, follow the road up, you will be walking out down here.
Y'all got Olympic swimming pool too. That's a
Yeah, yeah.
size swimming pool.
Just that we have, for this one is just a pool. We don't have a proper stand for anybody to sit down and cheer you.
Yeah.
Okay? But it's a proper Olympic size pool.
Wow.
There's a smaller pool inside, another small, not so deep pool, learner's pool.
For the little kids. Yeah.
And there's a little playground, water slides for children.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, you showed me. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, you doing pretty well. Wow.
Oh, I've been staying here for close to 28 years, so of course I must know.
You must know.
I actually look forward to this opening. There's a big sign that says, over there on that building, Bukit Canberra.
And what is that? What is that?
Is this complex.
Bukit Complex.
It used to be a little hill. Bukit, as in the local term, Bukit means it's a hill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bukit.
Canberra, as in the capital of Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Nice. Use this. Let them see this for the intro.
See? the interchange, the mall, Sun Plaza, MRT station. We started from the other side, right? We went round, come in here. So at this moment, this plot of land is again reserve site. We don't know when they're gonna do. But right, I think they are tearing down right now. The last use, they actually built a mock-up show flat for some condo which they are building behind or somewhere else. But they use the land as a show flat at the same time to sell. That means bring in the property agents, bring in buyers here. Come, see. Try to convince you to buy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Smart. They're smart with that.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Next time we're talking about rubbish, right? Let me show you. Since we are up here. You bag your rubbish, bring it up here.
You drop it down here.
You have choice. You want to open by hand or you step on it. Doop, bye-bye.
And it's there.
And sad to say, the moment it's in, oops, I think I left my watch in there. That's it.
It's done.
There's no way you can get it back.
No, because you can't go out down there and look. You can call the maintenance, maybe they might open it, but then you can't dig in there.
Correct.
It's
The thing
too
is
much.
deep.
Yeah, it's too deep. It's just done.
Okay? I like this because
Open
very
space,
wide open
yeah.
space. Not all are designed the same. Some are very small.
Okay. This one's
Yes, and by virtue of their facing, no blockage, so they get a lot of wind.
I know at night they can just come out here. They can come out here at night and just go.
Yes.
If they want to exercise, they can walk up to 14 floors.
I know you are scared of heights. That day you were in the Woodlands area.
Yeah, I was
You
scared.
took the lift up to the rooftop garden on the 16th or 17th floor.
Yeah, it was a
right?
lot.
I saw the video.
Yeah.
Then you say, I'm scared of heights. I said, what? Are you sure? Okay.
Wait.
Because you used to stay grounded.
Grounded, yeah. And I guess you get used to it after a while. You just,
Yes.
you ain't got no choice. You here. If you
Yeah.
up on them high floors, you just get used to it.
And in that lift, remember, they have all this advertisement plastered all over the wall.
Yeah, they did.
It's not graffiti per se. What happened is this: that block is very new,
Okay.
so they have planks holding up so that they don't destroy the wall itself.
Okay.
They hold it up.
Okay.
The interiors are done, but they hold it up because people are moving things in and out.
Okay.
So they may just damage the wall.
Okay. That's
So they use a board, they cover up first. So
Once
contractors know, hey, it's a temporary. So we put all stickers,
Yeah.
advertise my services.